Design and composition is an essential foundation for any good painting. Too often we jump into the painting part without spending enough thinking time planning it. I'll be saving you from that painful process where you spend 80% of your time correcting and refining the painting once you've already started. If you come up with a design plan that suits your subject matter and your concept, you have a roadmap for moving forward, and the rest is just coloring in. I've decided to split my teaching of these design tools into 2 videos. One, Tools Explained, where we'll look at each tool in depth and go through demos and exercises together. The second video, Tools Applied, is where you'll see me complete 2 paintings using 2 tools in each one, the very different subject matter, and I'll be choosing those tools according to that subject matter and the concept. Primarily, I want you to realize that creativity is found in design, those individual choices that you make as you come up with a plan. I want you to realize that design is actually where the fun is at. And I want you to realize that just spending 30 minutes exploring design options using the tools I present will improve your work infinitely. We'll also be looking at some real-life situations where I'll be indicating to you which tool I consider to be the go-to tool for that subject matter and concept. I base this workshop on the teaching format I've been using for the last few years, and I've really seen some light bulbs come on. So I hope you'll come on this journey with me, learn these tools, and realize the vast creative possibilities that lie ahead for you.